Okay, welcome guys to part 3 of forex trading in Zambia. Okay, so this topic is about indicators, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of people selling indicators, this, and this. But the truth is, all indicators work. But my advice for you is that don't let the indicator control you. Learn to use your intuition and to trust yourself. Yeah, like depending on indicators, you'll never make a lot of profits. You'll be just making losses. But otherwise, um, focus on what you feel will be the outcome. So, what are indicators, by the way? Okay, indicators are, how can I explain them? Like they're used in technical forex trading analysis. They can help us like predict what will happen in the future. Okay, so they can help us predict if the price will go up or if it will go down, if it will be an uptrend or if it will be a downtrend. So that's what indicators are. They can help us. Um, as I said earlier on, indicators they all work. So it's a matter of checking all the indicators you might have on your platform and see which works best for you. What might work for me might not work for you, and what might work for you might not work for me. So learn to choose your best indicators and play around and see which one works for you. Okay, so this is TradingView I'm using. TradingView is not a trading platform. It's just a place where you can analyze the market, use some charts and so on. And as of now, I'm using it to teach you guys. But I'll also talk about indicators in MetaTrader 5, 4, and IQ option later on in the fifth or sixth video or so. Okay, so even this trading view has got indicators. Okay, so let's try to check out some indicators which are available here. So we can see we've got bill, EMA, moving average, oscillators, swing trading, and so on. So let's enter here first. Okay, okay. So now we've got stochastic. To know the pronunciation. Uh, we've got a relative strength index, and this one here. Not really sure the initials what they stand for. Okay, so the relative strength index, as you can see here. Um, Also make sure that you see this line here and this line here. So from your own thinking, without even having to know the definition of this, you can tell that actually when the line is above, it means that it was an uptrend. When it's going down, it's actually a downtrend. Same as relative strength index, which is stochastic oscillator or something. Yeah, then without even having to think too much or studying what this is and is, just by looking, you can tell that actually um here actually the value was up, it was an uptrend, and it started going down here. It's now a downtrend. So as I said earlier, indicators can help us predict what will happen in the future and what will happen. So for example, here, this is where we are. As you can see here, um, here it had hit, okay, it had hit the lowest point. I'm trying on my best to use simple English so that you can understand. Okay, so here, as you can see, it hit the lowest point and it's on the way like going up. So here it might either go up or it might either continue going up or it might just turn and start going down again. So as you can see here, based on what we've said about indicators that they help us predict what will happen, we can also predict here that it will go up since uh since this thing is pointing up. So again, when you look at this chart here, it started rising from here. Okay, it started rising from here going up, and in the other way around it might start going down. Yeah, so you may never know. So it's just a matter of playing around with indicators. Okay, so as I said earlier, you have to practice a lot about these indicators, see which one works for you. Don't rush into your account, learn a lot. Okay guys, and this had been a short video about indicators. This is actually a free course on my website. If you're watching this from YouTube, click the link in the descriptions and enroll in my free course and start learning away. Everything is free, registration is free, certificate is free. Hurry, bye bye. This is Keith. Meet you in the next video.